Hello Platers! You want to go outside for a road trip because you feel it's been a lovely week and you wanted to treat yourself for a journey? Or maybe you just want to drive your friends outside. Then let me give you a piece of advice, some guidelines that every driver should follow when going out for a long ride. Welcome to our daily drive, everyday tips for the everyday driver. Here are some tips when going on a road trip towards the northern part of the Philippines. Number 1. Clean your vehicle. Nobody wants to ride a dirty car, so you have to make sure that all trash is properly disposed of. Put a garbage can inside the car so everybody should know where to dispose of their trash. Number 2. Check your car thoroughly for any persisting issues. It's hard to have some problems while you are driving in NLEX and T-Plex, which is more than a 100-kilometer stretch. The most common issues that vehicles encounter are as follows: flat tire, overheating and worn-out brake pads. Although roadside assistance is available to rescue you, it would still cost you money to tow the vehicle to the nearest exit point of a nearby town. Number 3. Plan the trip ahead of time. If you are planning to drive from Manila to La Union, you must understand that this is going to be a very long drive. The calculated distance is approximately 500 kilometers or an 8-hour drive including stopovers. Be prepared by having assigned a secondary driver just in case the designated driver needs to rest. We want to prevent accidents from happening because the driver fell asleep on the road. Plan your stopovers accordingly by writing down your itinerary. There are a couple of gas stations along NLEX where you could safely park your car and rest for a couple of hours. Number 4. Fuel up. The farther you drive, the more expensive gasoline and diesel prices are. So, make sure to keep your tank full once you see a relatively low-priced gas station. Always make sure that you have more than enough fuel. Number 5. Check your radiator. Fill your radiator with either a coolant or water to prevent the car from overheating. When a car runs very fast, especially when driving on the expressways, plus the temperature tends to get very humid and you are using the car's air con at the same time, so the car engine is having a hard time working. Do not forget to check on the temperature gauge while driving to prevent the vehicle from overheating. Do you agree with our list? Or did we miss some of the ideas had in mind? Comment down below so we can discuss it. We publish a new episode every day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, so that you don't miss out on all of our new releases. For more driving and car care tips, visit us at www.blade.ph. Blade Auto Center, it's Blade, it's better. If you like this video, please share it with your friends on social media. Help us build more subscribers by spreading the word around. Click the round icon to subscribe at one of the videos on the left to watch our next feature. See you again soon.